Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 3310 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to set call time limit in this phone. So basically this is a call tracker, so after a specific time that you set, the call will automatically finish. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. First of all, go to the menu. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, you see this settings icon, so this is the settings option. So just select it, and once you select it, you have to scroll down, and then you will see an option of cost settings. Okay, so you see this cost settings option, just select it, and once you enter into the cost settings, you see the option of call trackers, and currently it is off, so you just select it. Okay, and then after selecting it, you see the second option over here, it says time tracker. So just select this time tracker. It will ask you to use a time limit for every call. You have to press OK. So now everything is done now. Okay, so I will go back and I will try to call some number, and I will show you how does it work. So for example, I try to call this number. Okay, so I call this number, right? And whenever I try to call it, the phone will ask me to set a time limit first. So from here you can change the minutes, you can move it upside downside. Okay, to change the minutes. Okay, and this side is about the second, so you can change the seconds as well. So for now I will set it for 30 seconds to show you. So I set it for 30 seconds, so you can see now it is set for 30 seconds. Then I press OK. So now it will show you the maximum duration of this call is 30 seconds. So now it is calling that number, and you can see the timer is here. You see this green color, this is the timer, it's going on. So you can see after 30 seconds the call will automatically finish. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the time that is showing you over here. The time tracker is also going on. Okay, and you will see after 30 seconds the call will automatically finish. Okay, so you can see over your time limit, so the call after 30 seconds is automatically finished. I don't have to do anything. So this is really useful if you want to save the cost of your calls. So if you want to save some bills over your calls, so you can set a timer, and after that specific time the call will automatically turn off, the call will automatically finish. So simply what you have to do, you have to go to the menu, then go to the settings. Okay, then go to the cost settings. Okay, so this is the cost settings option. So you see the call tracker option, just select it. If it is off, you can turn it on. Okay, and if you don't want to use it, you can use the off option, then select it, and then it will off. But if you want to use this option, you want to turn it on, just select this time tracker, and then it will ask you to use a time limit. Press OK, and then it is done, it is set now, everything is okay. Simply you can call any number. For example, I try to call this number. Okay, and then I try to call it. Okay, and then I try to call it, and then I can set any time limit. I can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever time you want, you can set it. So for example, I keep it for 30 seconds. I press OK. Okay, and then it will show me that maximum duration of this call will be 30 seconds. After 30 seconds the call will be disconnected, and then from here on your right side, okay, it will show you the time limit of your call, and after that time the call will automatically finish, and you can see over here on your screen. So you can see over here the time is running out. Okay, so whoever I am calling, the call will be disconnected after that time. So here you go. So you can see over here it's showing me over your time limit, my time limit is finished, so that's why the call is disconnected. So this is how you can set a time limit for your call in Nokia 3310 mobile phone, guys. So please do like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.